Guys, it is June 13th, 2026. Today we're gonna call from a guy I used to work for. He's got a problem with his AC at his house. Not working. Seen him yesterday. He was asking me if I could go by there and if I worked on air conditioning. I told him, yeah, I've been there a couple of times working on your shit. Maybe he's losing his marbles. But anyway, I'm gonna go over there and see if I can find out what's going on with his AC. See if I can fix it. They've got probably a 2.5, probably a 3-ton AC on the second floor there. I think it's a carrier unit up there. I worked on it before. It's 410A. I think it's a carrier or ICP. I think last time I was there I had to vacuum out the condensate line. It was full of shit and got the thing flowing. And anyway, we'll go by there and see if we could. I think I had to hose it off last time I was there a couple of years ago. It was full of dirt on the outside, the coil. But anyway, it's pretty hot out. It's been, close to 90 last couple of days, so I got a few calls I got to take care of. It's supposed to have been raining all day today. You go by the forecast, it's supposed to rain all day, and it's not even raining now. What a flippin' job being a weatherman, huh? You just make up shit. Doesn't even happen. Anyway, we'll go see if we can get him going over there. Try to get you some shots. I'd rather run out and get another filter. The other one's really dirty. I got them 4. Cool. Except for 66. Yeah. And wow. Looks like it's a Ruud unit. Thermal zone. Ream Ruud. Hopefully it's just the capacitor's bad. 45.5. Let's check it. That should be 5 microfarads. Hopefully that's just it. Fan. The common. A bad capacitor. To get one out of the truck. 45.5, I have that. He's had it off, so thank God. That's why you tell you shut it off. I know I got some 45.5s in the back here. Yeah, right there's one. 45.5. That's a small round one. I might have, yeah, 45.5 right here. Jared's. These are good. My capacitor stash. But if you look at that, one of them's got 2. That one has 3. That one has 4. The one that has less is a fan. The one that has 3 is the compressor. The one that has 4 is the common. Should be the same on this. 2, 3, and 4. This fan, it's compressor. That's common. Some of the cheap ones they won't be labeled. They'll be labeled, but they won't be indicated. They'll be all the same. That's the fan. You want to be sure you don't knock anything out because that's still live there, right? Got the power off to it, so it ain't gonna matter. If you could have it so you could read it, it's always best. It's a 45.5 there, see it? Right. This one here's the compressor, the 3. And then these two here will go to common. Be the 4. You gotta make sure that these connections are tight, because if they're loose, they'll burn off, or they'll heat up and melt the capacitor to shit. So make sure that these are on there good. They feel good. They go on tight, you know. All right, we'll see if it runs. Will it run? Change the capacitor out. I'm able to see the 45.5. The other one was no good. Nice heat coming out of here. Man, she's a crusty one, Mama. She's crusty. Crusty as all hell. Got a nice heat out of here. It's coming back nice and cold. Oh, getting a little sweaty there. That's what we want. This is a little on the warm side going up. That's what we want right there. Coil don't look bad.